Hi, I'm Jeff Belomo with Belomo and Associates. I wanted to take a minute and talk about Medicaid planning, asset protection planning. I recently had a friend of mine who said to me, Jeff, is it okay to do this type of planning? And my response was, yeah, it's the law. Why not? He said, I don't know. I just don't feel right about it. I just don't know if it feels good to me. And my response was, wow, it is the law. It's absolutely 100% okay to do under the law. And the law says that as long as you follow these certain steps, you're absolutely 100% okay doing it. And I looked at him and I said, can I ask you a question? He said, yeah. I said, when you do your tax return, do you take advantage of the tax rules or allow your accountant to be aggressive in following the rules? And he said, absolutely, I do, every penny. And I said, okay. I said, and are you okay with a very, very, very wealthy individual, way more wealthy than we are, let's say somebody with 20, 30 million, are you okay with them going to an attorney who specializes in tax planning to be able to help them to reduce their tax liability? And he said, well, sure, it's the law, right? And I said, right. So my point is that that's the exact same thing. There is no question that the law, the case law, the regulations, and everything allow this type of planning. 100%, no doubt. We file hundreds of these applications and they have all been approved 100%. So no question it's allowed under the law. I don't look at it any different than that's tax planning for the wealthy. This is tax planning for the middle class. So for us in the middle class, looking into a $12,000, $13,000, $14,000 a month long-term care cost will wipe most of us out clean. Whereas somebody with millions of dollars working with an attorney to be able to reduce the tax liability is the same thing. So absolutely 100% this type of planning is the law, no doubt, no concerns, 100% approved. And it's just up to the individual consumer or client to determine, yeah, I'm good with this or not. So it was fun talking to my friend. I think that he has a different perspective now. And I just wanted to take a minute and hop on here and share that experience with me. So we look forward to seeing you at Belomo and Associates. If you have any questions, please reach out.